Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna talk about how you can fix your ChatGPT not working issue. So make sure to stick with me till the end and let's get started. Number 1, reload. Try reloading couple of times and that should do the trick, as most of the times the site traffic is so high and there are so many requests to process. So that is one of the reasons why ChatGPT may not be working. Just reload a couple of times and see if that works. Number 2, you can try using different browsers like maybe Firefox, Brave if you're using Chrome, and if you are using other browsers, you can try using Chrome, and this should help as well. Number 3, try disabling the browser's extensions. Sometimes your extension may be affecting the ChatGPT, so you can try disabling them and wait, then refresh and try using it. If this does not help, if the problem still persists, then you can try clearing cache and cookies of OpenAI site. After doing which, it will be as if you're using the ChatGPT for the very first time. And in order to do this, just go to your browser settings, then click on privacy and security. After that, go ahead and click on cookies and other site data. Scroll down and click on see all site data and permissions. Go ahead and search OpenAI and then click on the bin icon. Since I had already deleted my cache and cookies, I don't have it right now to show you guys, but yeah, just do that, okay? And this should help you somehow. That was number 4. And last but not the least, number 5. Just come back later and use it. Sometimes it's better to just leave it as it is for sometimes and do your other works and just come back later and check it out. So that should help somehow. And the bonus tip: make sure you are opening only one tab of ChatGPT at the same time. And everyone, these were our solutions to ChatGPT not working issue. I hope at least one of them will help you out. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.